Hello, welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about truncate commands. So in SQL, we are using truncate command to delete all the records from table without giving any specification or any validation. So when we use truncate command, it will delete all the records from the table. And once we use truncate command, the data, what the operation we perform, it cannot be rolled back as it is DDL command. So we can simply say that truncate is auto commit and it cannot be rolled back. It's DDL command. So let's begin and let's see how we can do the same in practical way. Let's begin. So here I have created this table earlier. I have already created videos for that. So in this table, if you see, we have following records. We have suppose six data, and if want to delete all the records from table, we can use truncate command. So how we can use the syntax of the truncate command is that first we will to use truncate. It is a keyword, and after the truncate we need to use the table keyword. TRUNCATE truncate table, and the table name we need to provide. So what it will do is that this truncate command will delete all the data from the table. That will call truncate. It will trunc the data from this table. So once I will execute, you can see the once after execution you can see table xx student db1 truncated. Now if I will query, we don't have any data. As I told you, the truncate command is auto committed. It means that we cannot roll back. If I will click run rollback, you can see we cannot rollback completed, and if again I will do and check data, we don't have data. It means that truncate command is going to delete permanently delete all the data present in the table. We cannot be rollback. And same as like we have delete command is also going to delete all the records from table, but we can roll back of the delete command. Even in the delete we can use where condition, but in truncate we cannot use where condition. You can see in previous video I have shown you that we can delete records from the table, and when we delete we can use condition where condition, but in truncate we cannot use that one. I have already created previous video where I show you how we can delete the records from table with the help of delete command. You can check out that one. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any other queries, you can make a comment of that and you can ask. Thank you so much again.